The thing that we do at Redzone is connect people to people so they can take collective action together to change things. So how about 300 people are interested in what's going on with the machines? And how about those maintenance people can create knowledge in the workforce and help them avoid problems in the first place?
Redzone offered us the world of the doctor and this new upgrade, a different way of thinking at the moment that my business just took off. The results are very real.
And bringing maintenance at this point is definitely a home run.
We achieved the 9%, actually 9% uplift in productivity. We achieved the 75% reduction in downtime and also 8.5% in increase in output.
We launched our maintenance and we're up and running fully across the plant within 60 days.
You know, Redzone is always been, right from the very beginning, from the productivity side to the quality side, always has been about changing the culture in the company. This was just an extension of that exact same philosophy. The culture in the company has changed dramatically since the implementation of the maintenance program.
Operators are taking more ownership of the line and the equipment because they're more vested in it.
Once again, it's continued to outperform the expectations.
We're going to close the year this year pushing $100 million in revenue, and our EBITDA is effectively more than a double.
I see more of a proactive standpoint from our maintenance folks by doing the operator care checks and focusing on these senses.
We've had a 78% reduction in unplanned downtime.
Productivity uplift at 37%.
And the maintenance module is kind of the missing piece of the puzzle of having a fully integrated system to run manufacturing operations.
If we didn't have this productivity uplift, there's no way we'd be able to take on this business increase that we've had the last couple months.
The relationship that it's building between maintenance and operations, usually there's a big gap there. This has really created a partnership between the two departments. I mean, it's huge.
It's no longer this knee-jerk reaction, it's like real time, and that's made a huge impact. We're basically 75 to 80% paperless. In the maintenance department, the guys actually being able to use this tool to be more efficient at being a maintenance technician.
We can react so much faster to the things that they would like to see changed.
What the maintenance module did for us in a large way was it empowered the operators to get directly involved.
It's a lot better than what it was before.
It's a great system.
You know, everybody's kind of working together a little bit better.
There's magic in working out how to do it, but if you do a 90-day program like all the others you've done and you just go with it, it'll work.